Hello, Daniel here with Interface. I'd like to take a minute here today to talk to you about industrial networks and the struggle that many face to design and configure these networks. Many industrial network owners today have become aware of the benefits of managed Ethernet switches. Benefits such as VLANs, network segmentation, traffic optimization, and improved network security. However, on most projects today, these managed switches are purchased and installed, but they are never managed. So that brings us to the question, why? Why would these switches be purchased and no design and configuration ever implemented? Most of the companies we spoke with say they simply struggle because they do not have enough time and they simply do not have enough network engineering resources. The solution? Network design automation. Now your network design is generated and downloaded into your pre-configured switch before it is ever delivered to you. It makes things easy. It saves you time, saves your engineering resources, and ultimately, it saves you money. The struggle is over, and pre-configured switches are the answer.
If you want to know more, please reach out to me, Daniel, here at Interface.io, or you can reach out to your local CED and Rinsenhouse sales rep. Thank you.